Have you ever stopped to consider the universe as more than just a collection of stars and galaxies? Suppose the cosmos isn't just a vast cold void, but something alive, intricate, and conscious. Imagine the galaxies are not merely floating in space but are interconnected, forming a colossal structure. A structure so complex, it mirrors the complexity of a brain. An idea that's quite a leap, isn't it? But hold on to your curiosity. What if, instead of an empty expanse, the universe is actually the brain of a superintelligent being? Our understanding of the universe has evolved significantly over time. Let's journey back to the dawn of civilization, when our early ancestors gazed up at the night sky. They saw patterns in the stars and created myths to explain these cosmic mysteries. The universe was a canvas for their stories, with celestial bodies as their characters. As centuries passed, we moved from mythology to philosophy. Ancient Greeks, like Aristotle, proposed the Earth-centric model, where the Earth sat unmoving at the center of the universe. But this perspective shifted when Copernicus, in the 16th century, bravely suggested that Earth wasn't the center of it all, but rather, it was the sun. This heliocentric model marked a turning point in our understanding of the universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, we encounter Albert Einstein, who revolutionized our concept of the universe with his theory of relativity. He proposed that the universe was not a static entity, but rather a dynamic, expanding cosmos. Now in the 21st century, our understanding of the universe is defined by the Big Bang theory, suggesting our universe began from an extremely hot and dense point around 13.8 billion years ago. It has been expanding ever since. We've also developed the concept of dark matter and dark energy, unseen forces that make up about 95% of the universe. They are among the greatest mysteries in modern cosmology, challenging our understanding of the universe's structure and nature. Yet, despite our technological advancements and scientific breakthroughs, our knowledge of the universe remains limited. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of the cosmos, and with every discovery, we seem to encounter more questions than answers. The universe is a vast and complex entity, far larger and more intricate than we can possibly imagine. As we continue to explore, we uncover more mysteries than answers. But that's the beauty of the universe, isn't it? It's a never-ending journey of discovery, pushing us to learn, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of existence. Interestingly, the structure of the universe bears some striking resemblances to that of a brain. It's a fascinating concept that can really make you ponder the nature of existence. Let's dive a little deeper. When we look at the universe, we see a vast network of galaxies linked together by gravity and dark matter. These galaxies form what we call the cosmic web, an intricate pattern that spans the entire observable universe. It's a mind-bogglingly complex structure, but it's not entirely unique. In fact, it bears a striking resemblance to something much closer to home, the human brain. Just like the cosmic web, our brains are made up of a complex network of interconnected parts. These are our neurons, tiny cells that transmit information throughout our bodies. They form intricate networks, passing signals from one to another, creating a web of communication that enables us to think, feel, and perceive the world around us. And it's not just the structure that's similar. The way these networks function is also eerily alike. Both the cosmic web and the neural network operate on the principles of self-organization and emergent behavior. That is, individual parts come together to form a whole that is greater than the sum of its parts. A single neuron or a lone galaxy isn't much on its own, but together they create something truly remarkable. Moreover, both networks exhibit scale-free properties, meaning their structures look similar regardless of how much you zoom in or out. This feature, known as fractal behavior, is a key characteristic of many complex systems, from the branching patterns of trees to the distribution of stars in a galaxy. Yet, the most compelling parallel lies in their sheer complexity. Both the universe and the human brain are among the most complex structures known to science. With estimates of 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the universe and around 100 billion neurons in the human brain. These parallels lead us to consider some radical ideas about the nature of the universe. Could it be that our universe is not just like a brain, but is a brain? A brain of a highly evolved, super-intelligent being. The thought is as mind-bending as it is intriguing. As we continue our exploration, let's keep this in mind and see where this cosmic journey takes us. If you're finding this exploration of the universe as a brain as intriguing as we do, why not become a part of this journey? We are always delving into exciting aspects of space mysteries, and we'd love for you to join us. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. If you're enjoying this one, give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments below. How does this comparison between the universe and the brain make you feel? What other parallels do you see? We're curious to hear your thoughts. After all, if the universe is a brain, then every thought, every idea, and every question we have contributes to the cosmic consciousness. So let's dive deeper and keep exploring the mysteries that the cosmos holds for us. Imagine for a moment that the universe is indeed a brain. Let's dive deeper into this mind-bending proposition. If the universe is a brain, then what does that mean for us? Are we, as inhabitants of this universe, akin to the neurons firing in a cosmic consciousness? This idea might seem far-fetched, but it's an intriguing thought experiment that could potentially reshape our understanding of existence and reality. Consider the complexity of the human brain. It's composed of nearly 100 billion neurons, each one intricately connected to thousands of others. This network is so complex, so richly interconnected, that it gives rise to consciousness, to thought, emotion, creativity, and self-awareness. Now think about the universe. It's composed of billions of galaxies, each one teeming with millions of stars, planets, and potentially life. Could this vast, complex network of galaxies be the neural network of a super-intelligent being? This idea isn't just a wild speculation. There are serious scientists who are considering it. They're looking at the laws of physics, the fundamental forces that govern the universe, and they're asking, could these laws be the rules that govern the functioning of a cosmic brain? Could gravity, for instance, be the equivalent of the electrical forces that enable neurons to communicate? The universe as a brain concept also raises some fascinating philosophical questions. If the universe is a brain, then what is its purpose? Is it thinking, dreaming, or creating? And if so, what does that mean for us? Are we part of its thoughts, its dreams, its creations? This concept challenges our current understanding and opens up a realm of fascinating possibilities. It invites us to consider the universe not as a cold, impersonal expanse of space and time, but as a living, thinking entity. It pushes us to expand our perspective, to look beyond our limited human understanding, and to contemplate the truly profound nature of existence. Remember, science isn't just about finding answers. It's also about asking questions, exploring possibilities, and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. And the question of whether the universe is a brain is certainly one that pushes those boundaries. This concept challenges our current understanding and opens up a realm of fascinating possibilities. If the universe is a brain, what does that mean for us? This question takes us on a journey into a realm of possibilities that could potentially redefine our understanding of existence. Imagine for a moment that we are part of a colossal entity's cerebral network, functioning as tiny neurons in a grand cosmic mind. This perspective could indeed shift the way we perceive ourselves and our place in the universe. We are no longer mere inhabitants of a vast cosmos, but integral components of a super-intelligent entity. This idea brings forth a myriad of implications. One is the possibility that our actions and decisions, our triumphs and failures, are not just a sequence of random events, but are, in fact, part of a broader, more intricate process. Each of us could be playing a role in the thinking process of this super-intelligent being, contributing to a cosmic thought pattern far beyond our comprehension. This could also imply that our universe is capable of cognition on a scale that dwarfs human understanding. Our reality could be a single thought in the mind of this entity, a fleeting idea, or a profound realization. This concept challenges our notions of individuality and autonomy. It suggests that we may not be isolated beings, but part of a superorganism, functioning in harmony to facilitate a grander cognitive process. Furthermore, if our universe is the brain of a super-intelligent being, it may have a purpose that we have yet to fathom. Our existence and the existence of everything we know could be serving a function in this entity's cognitive process. It's a daunting thought, yet also a fascinating one that challenges the boundaries of our understanding. Of course, this is all speculative and based on a metaphorical comparison. We are far from proving such a concept, yet it's these thought-provoking ideas that push the boundaries of our knowledge, inspiring us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. The notion of a universe brain may be mind-bending, but it's a concept that broadens our perspective. It's a concept that prompts us to question, to explore, and to strive for a better understanding of our place in the cosmos. The concept of the universe as a brain is certainly a thought-provoking one. In our exploration today, we've journeyed through the vast expanses of our known cosmos, delving into the intricate mysteries it holds. We've seen how the universe, as we understand it, is an intricate tapestry, woven from the threads of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces that govern their interactions. We've drawn parallels between the structure of our universe and the intricate networks within a brain, pondering the possibility of our cosmos being an advanced mind. The similarities between the vast web of galaxies and the complex neural networks are indeed striking, suggesting a pattern that echoes across scales unimaginable. We've also ventured into the realm of implications this concept presents. If our universe is indeed a brain, it challenges our understanding of consciousness, existence, and reality itself. It opens up a world of questions and possibilities that stretch the boundaries of our imagination. In essence, we've been grappling with the mind-bending notion that our universe, in all its vastness and complexity, might just be the workings of a super-intelligent being's brain. It's a concept that challenges our conventional perception of reality, inviting us to look beyond what we know and accept. While we may not have definitive answers, this concept certainly gives us a lot to ponder about the nature of our universe.